Hello and welcome to Siebel Volatility 411. My name is Dan Deming and I'm with KKM Financial. Well, we're looking at the SPX trying to hold on to gains for a second day. We did see some weakness to start the day, but now we're seeing renewed strength here midday. And with that, we're seeing the VIX cash down on the day, currently right around the 27.90 level, so below the 28 handle. But I do want to point out that the premium on the VIX Futures is still holding pretty firm. We're looking at about $4 a premium between the October future and the cash level right now. And the roll market still positive as well. We're looking at a positive roll of about $1.30. That isn't slightly from yesterday's roll market, but nonetheless still positive. So meaning the November future is higher than the October future. And looking at the term structure, still steep backwardation from November into next year. And basically what that means is the November future is the highest priced future on the board. Then they staircase lower consecutively as they move through the months into next year. Looking at VVIX, measure implied volatility in the VIX options, right around 102. And it's interesting because that's at the low end of the range, not only for today, but also for the last 7 months. We did see it pop up on Monday, but then really for the next several days here, the last 4 trading days, pretty subdued and holding just above 100. So looking at the activity on those VIX options, looking at, I guess, ratio spread Friday, a lot of ratio spreads going up, 1x2s, 1x3s, and 1x4s for that matter, on both the puts and the calls. So again, we're seeing some hedging and some repositioning going on, in particularly October and November. The big trade today was November 21 puts. We did see 50,000 of those trade earlier this morning. I want to point out next week, a lot of data points to focus on throughout the week, highlighted by the unemployment. Certainly have the debate on Tuesday. I think that could be a vol event as we move into the market on Wednesday. Also, this continued storylines will be persistent. So you got to look at the Fed, Capitol Hill, stimulus measures, and as well as the COVID-19 storyline. So those are all factor in as well. I do want to point out, though, that we are seeing some decent action picking up, particularly in the mini VIX futures. We're seeing the October future picking up volume here the last 2 weeks and certainly having substantial volume once again today. So action in the mini VIX futures is also picking up as we close out the week.